This tool can instantly upgrade your audio even if you are using a cheap mic or recording straight from your phone. So you head to Google and type podcast.adobe, you enter. Don't forget to sign in. I've already done that, you can see. Please don't forget to sign in first. Then you go to Tools. Once you click the drop down arrow, you are going to see 3 sections, which is Enhanced Speech, Studio, Mic Check. So we're going to do mic check first. So I'm using a simple Bluetooth microphone here. So you can do this also with your phone recording directly. Okay, so I'll click on Start. Okay, so this will check the distance to the microphone, the gain, the background noise, the echo, just like Scarlett Focusrite sound card. So you have distance and all that there. So I'll click on Test Mic and then I will read this. Okay, so let's do that. How is my audio setup and placement? So I'll click on Stop. Okay, said I should try again. Let's do it. It might be the network. So I'll click on Test again and then I will read this sentence. Okay. How is my microphone setup and placement? Great. So you can see the distance to the microphone is really good. The gain, of course, the microphone is a simple one. There's no way to adjust the gain. So the background is good. The echo, fantastic. All right, good. That's a good microphone setup for me to go. So I'll go back to Enhanced Speech. Okay, so I'll click on it. Okay, so here you can play the sample here. Let's quickly listen to the original of this audio.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on Adobe Podcast, and
that was so noisy. So it was recording in an open air. You can see the white noise, the background noise, and everything is there. So let's check the enhanced one. So let us go back a little bit.
Hey, Sam here, the lead designer on Adobe Podcast, and
this is
I'm out here in front of some construction by the Adobe.
So let us also quickly record our own audio. I've done mine. It's already here, so I will just drag in back to the interface. So here I will just click on Choose File, and then I named it Adobe Sample. I will just click it and let it load up. So it's processing. Hold on. Depending on how long your audio is and how fast your Wi-Fi is also. Okay, so the audio is just 19 seconds. So first let's listen to the original one first so that you can hear the difference. Okay.
Through the years of living, observing, and experiencing life, I have come to this realization. Life is the balance of positivity and negativity.
Okay, good. So let me go back. Let's listen to the enhanced one. So let's go back and hear the difference. So this is the enhanced one. Through the years of living, observing, and experiencing life, I have come to this realization. Life is the balance of positivity and negativity. So this is good. I really like it. Very good. Let me listen to that again. I can feel through the years of living, observing, and it sounds thick. So next time, once you want to enhance your audio, you can just use this Adobe Podcast to enhance your audio, okay? So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I release a new video. Bye for now.